welcome to another video, another tutorial for you. It's me again, Kate. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to get notified to my next tutorial. This video guys, I will teach you how to crochet the leaves of a rose ball pen. Tara, maganchili na ta. First, grab your yarn and make a slip knot. And insert your hook into the slip knot and make 5 chains. After 5 chains, please slip stitch into the very first chain. To slip stitch, insert your hook into the first chain and yarn over, pull your yarn through into one loop in your hook. After slip stitch, let's proceed to the round 1. To begin our first round, please chain 1 and then 10 single crochet. For all the beginners, don't worry, I will teach you how to single crochet. To single crochet, insert your hook into the circle. Next is yarn over and pull your yarn through and you will have 2 loops in your hook. Please yarn over again and pull your yarn through into 2 loops in your hook. And that is how to single crochet. Please add more 9 single crochet. After our 10 single crochet, to finish our round 1, please slip stitch into the stitch of our first single crochet. To proceed to our second round, please chain 1 and put 2 single crochet in every stitch and we will have the total of 20 single crochet. First single crochet into the first stitch. And put another single crochet into the same stitch. And again put 2 single crochet into the next stitch. 1 single crochet, second single crochet into the same stitch. Please remember to put 2 single crochet in every stitch and make sure you will have 20 single crochet. After you put 2 single crochet in every stitch and you already have 20 single crochet, please slip stitch into the first stitch. After slip stitch, please chain 1 and into the next 4 stitch put 1 single crochet in each stitch. First single crochet, second single crochet, third, and last single crochet. After we did 4 single crochet, turn your work, then chain 1. After you chain 1 into the 4th stitch, put 1 single crochet in each stitch. Please turn your work, then chain 1. After chain 1 guys, we will skip the first stitch, and into the next 3 stitch, we will put 1 single crochet in each stitch. After we did our 3 single crochet, turn your work, then chain 1. And guys, we will decrease again by skipping the first stitch. And into the next 2 stitch, put 1 single crochet in each stitch. After our 2 stitch, please turn your work, then chain 1, and let's skip again the first stitch and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. After 1 single crochet, please chain 1 and cut your yarn. And now here guys, let's apply again the same pattern. So insert your hook into the next stitch. Then grab your yarn and make chain 1. And 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Continue 1 single crochet in each stitch into the next 3 stitches. After our 4 single crochet, turn your work, then chain 1. Into the next 4 stitch, put 1 single crochet in each stitch. Into our next row guys, we will start to decrease, meaning we will skip the very first stitch. Please turn your work, then chain 1. Again guys, please skip the first stitch and put 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitch. Turn your work again and chain 1 and decrease into the first stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch into the next 2 stitch. For the last row, flip your work, then chain 1 and skip the first stitch and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Don't forget to chain 1 and cut your yarn. Please guys, kindly apply the same pattern until you will have the same like this. I hope you got the pattern, guys, or you can play it again. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to get notified to my next tutorial. Into the next video, I will show to you how to assemble this rose ball pen. And that's all for this tutorial. Good day, God bless us all. See you in my next tutorial.